In what is seen as a departure from the rotation arrangement in which public servants have been working in recent months, the Office of the President has issued a memo asking all of its staff members to return to work on a full-time basis. This comes even as Guyana has recorded its deadliest month for COVID-19, with a major spike in the number of COVID-19 cases and deaths for September. The memo is also flouting the government's own gazetted COVID-19 guidelines, which clearly state that all persons employed within the public service, a semi-autonomous agency, statutory body or state-owned enterprise shall work on rotation. Minister with responsibility for government information Kwame McCoy has explained that the move to have all staff return to work is in keeping with the government's push to gradually reopen the country and in a bid to ensure that services are provided to the people of Guyana. McCoy spoke with the newsroom via telephone on Friday.
And so you would appreciate that even though we have a rotation system in place for workers, many of them have not honored what the system requires them to, meaning that many of them use this occasion to abscond from work on days when they should even be at work, and at times, and don't want to be harsh on the workers in general, but this has been the experience in many instances. But that apart, the more critical, the more urgent need is for us to be able to provide service to the people of Guyana.
The issue was first raised by opposition leader Joseph Harman during a virtual press conference on Friday. McCoy acknowledged that while public servants were asked to return to work on a rotation basis, the delivery of services to citizens has been severely affected and in some cases stalled for several months. He told the newsroom that even the use of virtual technology has not been useful and practical in all cases.
People are anxious to get out of the situation in many instances, and people are back to demanding services in the normative fashion, and they are therefore experiencing many situations where the people who are supposed to provide the services in the ministries and government departments are not at work. We've been experimenting and we've been actually using the virtual technology to be able to communicate with staff and in relation to work, but not in every case this is required and is practical in the sense that there's some people whose work is not just being attended to using the virtual technology. They have to actually be in office to get actual stuff done and to do things.
While staff will be returning to the same environment that they left, McCoy assured that there are intentions to sanitize the workplace and offer care packages to staff. He said they will be assisted in practicing the established protocols of washing hands and wearing masks. The minister further said that the experience where services are affected goes across the government sector, and the Office of the President has taken the lead in what will happen in other ministries and government agencies in coming weeks. Kurt Campbell, Newsroom.